Mimi kama kuna kitu I don't take for granted is being loved. Being loved is a huge thing because it takes time for you to realize how perfect she was. But it's not something you'd see easily. And now you have to make peace with the fact that amependa mtu mwingine. She just loved somebody else. That person who could appreciate her. That person who couldn't cheat on her. That person who created time for her. That time who was there for her. And then one day, she's just gone. You can't reach her. You can talk to her. She's just gone. Because hangekaa pahali she's not appreciated. Hangekaa pahali that she's not heard. Hangekaa pahali where she couldn't have a conversation with you. And then when all that is behind you, that's when you realize what a gem you lost. That is when you realize what a good lady, a beautiful lady, a royal lady you lost. So don't take it for granted. Ukipendwa pendeka.